How do you quote people with accents or broken English? Listen, I'm a reporter in Boston. I see it all the time, especially when people from outside of Boston, try doing the accent for every word. It looks ridiculous. Let's not try to interpret every single line. Let's not try to go full phonetic here. You're gonna run into issues. It's a slippery slope. Once you start, you do one word, suddenly next thing you know, you're writing Tom Sawyer. So really be careful. And when it comes to immigrants, people who speak another language, people, English is their second language. Again, we're not going out of our way to make people look stupid. We also don't want to embellish. We don't want to, make it like they speak perfect English if they don't. So let's be fair. Also, we can always go back to people with quotes if there's an interpreter involved. But really, the idea is that let's not do this full phonetic thing.
Yes. Swear to God.